Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ayan, so happy birthday to one of the best person na meron ako sa UAE. And thank you so much sa lahat ng bagay. I am just so blessed na nakilala kita, na we stick around and everything. So, hindi ko napapahabain ang aking birthday greetings. Baka kung saan pa tumapunta. Pero, we love you. We are so blessed to have you. And, alam mo na yan, huwag na tayong magdrama dito. Pero, I'm always here for you kahit na anong mangyari. Thank you so much for all the opportunities, the adventures, ang mga gala, and sa more racket, kaya natin to sa ngalan ng pangarap, pera, at pamilya. So, again, happy birthday. I love you. Sinabi ko na hindi ko papahabain, pero mahaba na. So, panoorin mo yung mga next videos about sa mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo. So, again, happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. I love you and happy birthday.
Hello, Ann. Happy birthday. Tumatanda ka na. Basta yung mga dreams mo, lagi ko naman yan pinagpipray na mangyari. Eh, nandito lang ako para supportan ka sa lahat. And, thank you for existing. Alam mo yan. Basta, nandito lang ako. Ayun.
Hi ma'am! Happy birthday! So yan na nga, birthday mo na daw. Birthday na ng aking pinakasikat na friendship. So yun. Wish ko lang sa'yo is more followers to come. And huwag mo kami kakalimutan. Okay? So yun. Happy birthday ma'am! Miss ko na kayo. Hope you enjoy your day. And yun, see you soon. Bye.
Hi Beshi! Happy birthday! Wishing you all the best and happiness in life. Sana, nagka-jowa na ako. Char. Sana ma-achieve mo lahat ng dreams mo and lahat ng gusto natin puntahan. Sana mapuntahan natin. Sana makapag-Korea tayo next year. Kasama yung mga Beshis natin. Thank you kasi lagi kayong nandyan ni Beshi, lalo na sa mga chika at rant natin sa buhay. So, bago pa tayo magkaiyakan, happy birthday ulit! See you!
Beshi, happy birthday! O, late na ko, diba? Beshi, gamitin na ko yung tagline. O, mabuhay ka hanggang kailan mo gusto. Ayan. Since nasa'yo naman na ang lahat, wish ko lang na maging successful tayong lahat, especially you. Alam mo naman. Alright, Beshi, happy birthday! Enjoy your day!
Hello ma'am! Happiest birthday! Birthday mo na pala. See you soon na. God bless.
Hi Ate Ann! Happy birthday to you. I wish you all the best in life, in love, in career, and everything in between. I hope you know that you're a blessing to the people around you, and pati na rin sa akin. Meeting you and being with you is a blessing, and I'm grateful for that. I wish you all the best, and to more contents, food, drinks, experience, and everything with you and with the girls. Bye! Love, lots!
But wait! There's more!
Good afternoon, my dear sister. Today, you're given another opportunity to blow out your candles. I'm sure you are grateful because it means another year of joy and greater opportunities for you. Makes every day of your life count and every moment. Happy birthday, my dear sister, and enjoy. Have a good day. Bye.
Happy birthday, Dam! Ingat ka dyan! Love you, Mama! Chup-chup!
Happy birthday, Tita Dam! Sana matupad mo mga pangarap mo. More birthdays to come. Love you, Mama! Chup-chup!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Dad!
birthday, Dang! Wish na mo more birthdays to come. Ingat kayo dyan. Love you. Miss you.
Miss you. Ingat kayo. Ano pa?
Bye-bye. Oh, bye-bye, ate. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Dang. Ingat palagi.
Pag-uwi mo, magdala ka ng apam para sa akin.
More birthdays to come. God bless you. Yeah.
Hi ate, happy birthday. Ang wish ko lang sa iyo ay maabot na yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay ng paisa-isa. And then stay humble, mag-ingat ka palagi. And I love you ka sa God. And nandito ako sa sideline ko ngayon sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. Nagkabit kami ng solar. Then pauwi pa lang ako. 5 PM na ngayon. And di pa ako nakakain. Sana kumakain ka na ngayon. Then mag-ingat ka palagi, yun lang naman. And God bless.
Hello Dang, happy birthday. I love you very much. Sana maganda ang buhay mo. Malusog ang katawan mo. More birthday. Andito pa rin si mama mo, nagmamahal sa iyo. Yun lang, I love you so much.